All right, today I'm going to show y'all how to get rid of this. Hey, what's up, guys? So I have a 2020 GMC Sierra. I think most of these key fobs are all the same, but like I have this replace battery in remote key come up on my heads-up display every single time I get in the truck. So obviously I need a new battery in my fob. You want to be stranded somewhere later on, so I'm going to show you how to take it apart and switch it out real quick. The battery you will need is a 2032 lithium, and they're not cheap, but they'll last a long time. I think I just paid 14 bucks for mine. I'm going to replace it right here. I'll show you. All right, so first off, you have your actual fob. All you gotta do is hit this button on the side, on this side. I'm just gonna use a small little screwdriver. Pull your key out. So this goes to your car or whatever. I don't think there's even a slot for it in mine. In the door there is, but not in the ignition. This one's a push to start on here. So there's a small tab right there in the center. Pretty much all you're gonna do is just put it in and pull, and then you just twist it a little bit, get it to separate. You just start pulling it apart. The motherboard, and then you have your battery. All you do is pop the battery out. And like I said, a CR 2032. Put the new one in. Make sure the words go down. Okay. Then you put the motherboard back. This side goes to the battery. Then you go back on top like this. And you just put everything back into place slowly. And then you put your key back in. And then you're all set. All done. That's as simple as it is. And now this that heads up display message is no longer on here. So that's it.